Well, it's Monday, December 31st, and I had to go to town, so I stopped at Tractor Supply, and of course they had some steel there. So I picked up this nice rack. The steel isn't all that much to talk about. I mean, it's thin wall tubing, but it's nice square tubing, and there's a bunch of it. So that's not bad. While I was in town, I got more rails for the racks. That way I can finish putting up the track. I needed to have 2 more, and I got 4 because they were only 10 bucks a piece. So that project's moving along. I wanted to put up the chimney, and I thought, well, I need some one-hole strap. So I went looking. And I thought, well, I'll just get it in town. They probably got it at Meijers. Now, they didn't have any at Meijers, so I went to look online at Home Depot. Trying to work one-handed again. Put the camera in my left hand. That's better. See if I can get this box open. Not exactly easy working here, is it? Okay, I think I got something open here. Got the end of the... There we go. Home Depot wanted 69 bucks for that coil. $69. I got this at Amazon, which probably gets it the same place that Home Depot does. This stuff used to be dime store stuff. I mean, it was something you just went and picked up. It wasn't anything big. But that's 20 bucks worth. And since I have Prime, I got it free shipping. I could have got it from Walmart, but it was $69 for a coil. And then they were going to charge me shipping on top of it. They were going to have it delivered to the local Walmart store, which means a week to 10 days. Home Depot didn't have it in store, but they were going to charge me $69 for a box and wait until January 7th. Amazon, I ordered it on Sunday, and here it is Monday, and it showed up on the porch. So can't kick about that. That's a pretty good deal. So now I got to get this stuff unloaded out to the workshop. While I was in town, I bought groceries. Looks like a bunch, doesn't it? Well, it should, because it's $180 worth. Yeah, 180 bucks. This is just getting to be crazy money. I cannot believe this stuff costs this much. And then I realized, you know, the president probably sets the prices. And since he's got $30 million in the last 4 years, 180 bucks is nothing to him. He just plans on going home, retiring, and riding around in his Corvette. Now, I don't want to get into politics too much because that is a real sore subject with a lot of us, isn't it? Too bad, too. Usually elections are... Some people are real happy and some people are just glad it's over. We'll just have to see. In the meantime, I'm going to get the truck unloaded and get the groceries inside. Got supper to get ready, because that's always a job. And then hopefully tonight I'll get to go out to the workshop and do some work. Because if you can see, the weather out here is just about perfect. It's mid-40s. I've got a coat on, but I could get along without it. Nice sunshiny day. Blue skies, pretty good. Not bad for 2 days before New Year's. Okay, if you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.